Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into something super exciting, how to install AlphaDroid Android 16 on any Android phone, and the best part, no root required. That's right, we're going to be flashing this amazing GSI ROM using the DSU Sideloader application. If you're ready to experience the very latest Android 16 features, enhanced performance, and a sleek, customizable interface without the hassle of rooting, then you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, your phone will be running AlphaDroid. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a couple of things. The AlphaDroid Android 16 GSI ROM image file, of course, and the DSU Sideloader application. You'll find direct download links for both in the video description below. Make sure you download the correct GSI variant for your device's architecture, usually ARM64. Once downloaded, you'll have a .img or .xz file. If it's compressed, go ahead and extract it so you have the raw .img file. This is crucial for the next steps. All right, with your AlphaDroid GSI image file ready, let's move over to your Android phone. Open up the DSU Sideloader application. The interface is quite straightforward. You'll see an option to select GSI image file. Tap on that and navigate to where you've saved the AlphaDroid.img file on your device. Select it. Once you've selected the GSI image, the app will ask for custom user data storage size. This is important. For a smooth experience with AlphaDroid and enough space for your apps and data, I highly recommend setting this to 11 gigabytes. Type 11 into the field. This ensures you have ample storage for the new system. After setting the user data size, you'll see an Install or Start Installation button. Go ahead and tap that. The DSU Sideloader application will now begin the installation process. This might take a little while, so please be patient. Do not interrupt your phone during this process. Ensure your phone has at least 50% battery life to avoid any issues. The app is essentially creating a virtual Android environment on your device, allowing you to run AlphaDroid alongside your current system without making permanent changes. Once the installation is complete, the DSU Sideloader app will prompt you to reboot your device. This is where the magic happens. Upon rebooting, you'll be given an option to boot into AlphaDroid Android 16. Select that option, and congratulations! You'll be greeted by the beautiful AlphaDroid boot animation. And there you have it, AlphaDroid Android 16 running smoothly on your device, all without needing to root. You can now explore all the new features, customize your experience, and enjoy the latest Android has to offer. Remember, you can always switch back to your original Android system through the DSU Sideloader app if you wish. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know your thoughts on AlphaDroid Android 16 in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.